If you've been following along with this project, you probably thought we were done with concrete and walls. But no, we're doing another shed on the back of our other one. This one's going to be unheated, so it's going to be different than the regular shop, but we wanted to get it done this winter as well. The walls are up and our rafter pattern is figured out, so it's time to go to the sawmill and get some more lumber. One end of our rafters is going on our old shed, and unfortunately that shed is no longer straight. It sagged and moved over the years, so we have to cut each rafter to an individual length, so it took a little bit longer, but it really wasn't too bad. We made a pattern and moved it along the building and measured how much we needed to take off, and adjusted from there. So we had all of our measurements planned out beforehand. The rafters are up and it's almost time to start roofing. We just need to put the strapping up and do a couple more things. We put in some extra supports for where the snow is going to slide off the shop roof and crash down onto the shed roof, and we don't want it buckling the metal. We also ran the roofing up the side of the shop. This does two things. First, it protects the shop from splash from the roof, and it also will direct water away from the sidewall so it won't soak the sidewall. That sheet needed some fancy angles cut on it, so we made a template and cut it out, and it fit perfectly. Unfortunately, our roofing was delayed a week because of delivery issues from the building supply place, so instead we moved on to doing siding. So here's when we finished the roof, but we did some siding first. Here's our shiplapping boards. We have a shaper set up with a power feeder, and we load all the boards onto one cart and then run them through the shaper, put them onto another cart, and then back onto the truck. Next, it was time to actually put on the siding. So we put a board down on the bottom that was the right height for the bottom of our boards, and we were just able to set the boards on and nail them right on. It went along pretty quickly. We followed the roof up at an angle until we reached 16 feet, and then we went straight across at 16 feet, and we'll have to fill in the upper triangle later. It's nice when the boards finally get to be all the same length. It goes a lot quicker then. Robin hasn't been able to help out too much with this part of the project, but he was able to ride his big wheels around on the slab.